Oh my God. Hey mate, what's up? What's up?
Hey.
Hey.
What are you doing?
I'm busy, I'm filming.
Hey.
Hey.
Are you in the kitchen?
Yeah, I'm in the kitchen, I'm really busy. What do you want?
What are you making? What are you making?
Listen.
Do you know it's like when you're in the kitchen filming something, you're making something?
I'm just going to put you here because I'm really busy, all right? So what do you actually want?
I want some cookies.
What sort? Okay.
Don't tell John. I know he's down the road. You know what's John like? When you're making something, you always tell John to come and get some stuff. Don't tell him. Please tell me.
Oh my God, you guys are full on. It's not a restaurant here. It's a studio.
So what cookies are you making?
Okay, I'll make, you know the hazelnut spread I made the other week?
Oh my gosh, I'm coming over now.
Okay, wait, I'm filming. I'll make the cookies and then I'll text you, okay? I've really got to go, okay?
How long? How long?
Oh, you're kidding. Maybe like in an hour, all right?
Okay, I'll message you, okay? I might even rock up, okay?
Oh my God. If you rock up, please come in the door quietly because we're filming, all right?
Okay, I will. Cool.
Okay.
Half an hour.
Okay.
Can you not speed it up? Can you not cook them faster or bake them faster?
This ain't McDonald's, mate. And it's not a restaurant.
Okay.
And all of you people have to stop messaging me and asking for freaking things. Goodbye, I'm going. Goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Action!
Right?
Yeah.
Here on Island, the local transport. These veggie patties smell amazing. Oh my God, they're so good. Okay, see ya. With all the requests I get in this studio from my friends, cookies seem to be the biggest and most requested freaking recipe in this entire space. And I just got it off the phone to my mate Phil. He's hilarious. He's an autoimmune specialist. He is funny and he's always asking for cookies. And so is my mate John, and so are my girlfriends Simone and Kristen, who came over the other night. And the first thing they did was walk in the fridge and go, "Is there any cookies?" And I'm like, "Dude, do you want to say hello first?" It's just like that here. It's amazing. It's the cookie monster space, this space. It's hilarious. Today, I'm going to use some amazing ingredients that I adore. And one of them is Bob Red Mills. And Bob Red Mills is like the king of grains and the king of legumes, and his family and his entire business I absolutely love. And I just think that the milling process of grounding down a grain or a legume to create a flour is genius. It's minimal human interference, which is what we want in here, especially in my studio. And it's also organic, which I love. So this is a beautiful little mix here, and it comes in a packet, and the packet is red, and it's called all-purpose gluten-free flour. And it's a mixture of legumes, and it's very earthy actually because it's got fava beans in there, you know, chickpeas, so it's quite earthy. But when you put all the yumminess in here, that earthiness goes away. So gluten-free, amazing, amazing product. Quite clunky, as you can see. We don't need to sift it with this particular recipe, which I love. Then I have some coconut oil. You can see with the coconut oil that it's starting to set because it's quite cool in here. And I've got some maple syrup, which I absolutely cannot get enough of. I think the maple tree is fabulous, and I'd love to go to Mapleton in Utah one day. And they got some vanilla extract. I've got some baking powder, and once again, it's Bob Red Mills. Cinnamon in this little container. And then I've got some flax seeds in some water, which creates an egg type consistency, kind of gooey. This acts like egg replacement, and you can have egg. It's not about not having egg. It's not about being vegan. I'm not about that. I'm about the amazing mums and dads out there that are either allergic to egg or their kids are. And this is how you make an egg replacement with 1 tablespoon of flax and 3 tablespoons of water creates 1 egg. So this is 10 grams of flax with 3 tablespoons of water if you've got some scales. So now I'm just going to shovel this into a really big bowl and mix it with intention. This is a really good one for the kids actually, to get in the kitchen. I think it is. My goddaughter loves doing this sort of stuff, especially when it's all measured out. Like I said, I haven't sifted the flour, which I don't need to. It's baking powder. I do want a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix. Little splash of cinnamon. It's around about 1/4 teaspoon. All right, now with the egg replacement, like I said, 1 tablespoon of flax to 3 tablespoons of water to create that gooey kind of gelatinous kind of look. I'm going to add all my liquid into 1 bowl. So that's my oil and my maple. Then I'm going to add my little splash of vanilla. Give that a stir so it's all combined. Then I'm going to put it straight into a well in here. And just mix it all through. Notice how there's no milk in here? Isn't that cool? No plant milk or anything really. Going to preheat the oven to 160, I think. And I'm going to cook this for about 12 minutes. But what I want to do is I want to create these little like jam drops, but they're in like a Nutella drop, because I've got this really cool Nutella. And I know my friends are going to love it, and Phil will be over soon. And I know he's going to love it too. Now I need some baking paper. Yes, good job, good job. Just clean up my mess. These hands. Oh my God, did you notice my jewelry actually? Look at this. This is all from Ananda Soul Creations. Even my earrings that I have on are from Ananda. Aren't they beautiful? And this bracelet. So nice. Every time I see my girlfriend who owns Ananda in Bali, Christina, you have to Google it. It's just amazing. All her amazing give back to Balinese and creating tent schools, and just everything she does in her give back model is stunning. Every time I see her, she always says to me, "Your rings are filthy. There's food in them." I'm like, "No, they're fine. They're fine." She takes them off my hands and then she cleans them. But I think they're fine. They're so nice. And even my necklace, this one here. It's just so beautiful. You know, so gorgeous. And on the back of it, it says, "I honor this body, I honor this earth." Amazing. All right, I need a spoon, I need a scoop, I need a situation. I love a little bit of oil, that's me, because I reckon covering this as we're scooping is super cool. Thanks, mate.
Bowl.
Oh yeah, bowl.
Get a bowl.
Get a bowl, I've got a bowl. Is that good enough? Is that good enough?
Enough.
Good job, good job. So what that does, it just covers my scoop, coats it, and so the cookies don't stick. All right, preheat that oven, Cynthia. You know, I'm not a baker, I'm a chef, and I forget things. It's a true story. Light on, oven on, 160. Now, not all ovens are made equal. I've had some people write into me going, "That was didn't cook enough," or "This happened." Not all ovens are made equally. So if you know your oven, connect with it, find the right temperature. But this is 160 for 12 minutes. All right, my job is to get the right size and portion of each cookie. That's why I'm using this gorgeous little scoop. So when my friends come over, they're not complaining about someone had a bigger cookie, because that's what they tend to do. And it's true. And notice how the oil acts into this so it doesn't stick when I'm scooping. Just trying to get all these last bits out, yeah? All right, the last thing I want to do is create like a dent in it. And there's two things you can do it. I'm not, Lasmi's in the background going, you should make a love heart. But I'll show you, you can just do like a dent in the middle, like a drop. We're doing a drop cookie, right? So you can do that. And notice how my spoon is sticking, right? So I've just got a little bit of coconut oil. Just gonna dab it in there like that. And then push that in. And then it doesn't stick. Genius, really. All right, perfect. Now I need that Nutella. Got to have a look at the other recipe on YouTube for this, because this is a brilliant recipe. What do I need? I need a spoon. It's a really, really good kids replacement for the crap that's out there. So have a look on my channel. Actually, we'll put a link in so you can go straight to the recipe, because it's bloody brilliant. And I store it in the fridge. I only just had it out here before because I didn't want to forget it. A little bit at a time, not a lot. Just plonk it into the middle of each one. Just flatten it out. Okay, last one. This is where you get to lick the fingers here. Oh my God. All right. Straight into the oven. And you know what? I know my mates, they want double chocolate. So I'm going to melt some really good quality chocolate, around about 90%. Chocolate that doesn't have dairy in it. Chocolate that has coconut sugar in it. That's not full of crap. And I'm going to just go all over this when they come out of the oven. Remind me to do that, yeah?
Okay.
12 minutes. 12 minutes. I'm baking now. Okay, I gotta go. Oh my God. My friends are so demanding. Seriously. You know, these aren't going to be golden brown, right? Because of the chickpea and the legumes that make the mix of this beautiful flour. So don't think this is a normal cookie. There's no eggs, there's no butter, there's no milk, there's no normal wheat. So they don't come out what you used to, but Jesus, they're bloody good. I can tell you that much. Oh, yeah. And they actually get wider too as they bake, which is so great. Notice how they're all the same size? To all the people that are coming in the studio, they go, that one's bigger than that one. That one's bigger than that one. It happens all the time, trust me. I'm gonna let this cool down completely, because me being the world's worst baker will try to actually get into this right now and burn myself. I have melted some gorgeous dark chocolate here. The darker the better for me. 99%, you know, over 80, I love. And when these are cooled down completely, I'm going to do these ones all over the top, just to give that double chopped chip hazelnut drop cookie situation. Oh my God.
Rolling?
Swear to God.
Let's go. Cynthia, cookies to eat.
Yes, I'm coming.
What about television? We want cookies to eat. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, action.
Okay, coming with the cookies. Okay, this is just like a little add-on. You don't have to do this, but you actually have to do this because this is what takes it to the next level, because chocolate on chocolate on chocolate is heaven. And this really, and when you put them in the fridge, actually, they even get better. Remember the other night we had them and I gave you one? And I think I gave you one as well. And so putting them in the fridge is a must because there's not much holding this shit together. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, butter-free, free of all the free things. So in the fridge, free cookies, exactly what they actually are, free cookies. It's just one of those things, right? So definitely in the fridge, definitely the double chocolate, and definitely eat one at a time, not 10 at the time like we do here. Yeah, John.
Phil.
And Phil, who called me when I was actually filming today asking if he could have cookies. There's no rules to this when I'm doing this. This is like whatever happens. And if the big blob of it goes on there like that, I think we're winning, right? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna use up all this chocolate. Okay. Gonna put them in the fridge. You guys have to wait at least 5 minutes so these set, yeah?
Cannot, John.
What do you mean cannot? See, this is what happens.
But we don't have 5 minutes.
You don't have, where are you going?
I'm gonna go teach a class.
Oh,
I have
wow.
5 minutes. I can eat cookies.
He has 5 hours.
So good.
He's got 5 hours to eat cookies.
He's got 5 hours to do the cookies. You need one. Oh. Anyway, that's it. Done and dusted. Do not forget to look below for the link for that homemade Nutella, because that is a winning formula for kids. There is nothing better than feeding yourself something that's going to not only nourish you but not take from your health. And that's the whole point of this whole exercise, is to give you an opportunity to dive deep into your organs, to saturate yourself in goodness, and to eat all the things. Anyway, all right, I'm going to put these in the fridge, but I'm going to give you one because you're leaving soon. Come and get one.
Woohoo! I happen to be special needs, so thank you very much.
You are special needs. She's gluten-free, dairy-free, and all the things free. There is a lot of traffic on the streets lately. What is that about?
Post-pandemic, mate.
Post-pandemic, yeah.
Car thing.
How is that? Is it nice?
So good.
Okay, good. All right. Okay, see ya.